Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. One question that I am regularly asked is, Rajiv, is it good to compare myself with others? And my answer is, when you compare yourself with others, what do you feel? If you feel challenged, if you feel inspired, and if you feel motivated, by all means compare yourself. But if you feel low in self-esteem, if your confidence goes down, you feel bad about yourself, then don't compare yourself with others. And the reason is we are all different, we are all unique. And the most important thing is never ever compare with the external success that you see in others. Maybe somebody has a big house, or maybe somebody has a number of expensive cars. Now you don't have that and you feel pretty bad about that. So just think, this person, if he has achieved all that, how much time he has taken to do that and how hard he has worked for that. And maybe you are just starting out. If you are starting out, how can you get all that which he has, achieved in maybe 15 years, 20 years, even 25 years? So never compare the external success with somebody else. But what you could really do is try to learn what are the values, what are the beliefs, what are the habits, and what is the attitude that this person has that has helped him to get all that what you want, right? So if you focus on that, that would be a better idea. I hope you like this idea. So stop comparing if it makes you feel inferior, but there's no harm in comparing with somebody else if it inspires you and motivates you and challenges you. So thanks for watching this video. This is RajivKumarLuv, your personal coach, friend and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. Until then, take care.